Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to delete file on GitHub. Guys, first go to your GitHub, and when open the GitHub going to look like this, and see right here these are my repositories, and simply gonna open the repository. All right, and you see right here I have two files and only want to delete them, zip file. So I just want to delete this one. So what I'm gonna do now, this click on the zip file, and right here you should see this. You have all this option, and you see right here say download, and this say option and GitHub desktop, and go here, see delete file, and basically you can click to delete. And I'm going to see this example. Change all have to do, click on commit change. And for this is what you do, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content.